Ooh, guys, check it. Check who I just got again. And yes, he's finally here after all this time. I'm going to open it as soon as I come back from my errand. So for the time being, I'll let him just chill with the rest. Yeah, you'll stay here, okay? I'll come back for you as soon as I'm done with the rest. And yeah, I'll be back. Okay, it's time for... What? Wait, what? Where is he? I, I could have sworn he was here. What? Limbo, do you know where the box was? I guess it was on the table right there. Oh, right. How did you know that? Because the box was like sitting down there? Oh, I see. Well, guess what time it is, you guys? All right. Aside from the comedy, everybody else has joined again. Proof that this is a new Elmo. ABC's right there, rocking guitars right there, and everybody else is still here. The shelf is now empty. Everybody just went to visit. And here you guys, finally, after waiting such a long time, I can say my collection is, I guess my wish list is complete with this last guy. And honestly, I'm happy to acquire this. I might be one of the first people in France to even bring this. Like, let alone have this Elmo collection. It's very huge right now. So, even Pizza Elmo came from the hospital to visit his new friend. Speaking of this guy, I still have to wait for his speaker to arrive. Then I will be able to fix him completely. So far, I put him back up just for the looks. But yeah, once I get the speaker, the new one, he'll be able to talk again, hopefully. I'll just put him back in again. I will also, put him back together, and he will be looking fine to make the greatest collection of Elmo toys the world has ever seen. Okay, no, maybe not, but at least the most colorful one, that's true. Well, let me get something to cut that. Okay, so, again, be careful when you open a package. Like this. Really don't go too deep, otherwise you're gonna break something. It's hard with one hand. I still need to find a better way to record my videos, because so far I haven't found anything that's really great, but guys, we're doing one of our last openings for this channel for a good while. Maybe until the new Elmo releases, but so far my wish list is complete. So, putting that back. The crate is opened. Are you guys ready to yet again see another reveal? Here we are. So, how does this look like in here? What is that? And he's here, and oh, we actually had a lot of room to work with. So, oh yeah, there he is. He's in here. Look at him. Okay, let me put the box away. Oh, he's been carefully packed. Hello there. Okay, hold on. I need my 2 hands for this. The big reveal is here. Elmo Slide has finally joined the gang of all the other Elmos. As you can see, he's... Oh my god, look at that. So for size comparison, he's really average with comparison with the Let's Rock Elmo. You can see here the average sizes. Most of them are the average size. Yeah. So this is the newest Elmo toy. The latest in the collection was Dino Stomp, but now we also have Elmo Slide. You can notice that they were made by the same maker. Hold on. Like they have the same fur texture in a way. Yeah, it's hard to see on video because like for you guys it must look all the same, but the texture of the fur here definitely works here. But regardless, I want to see now if yeah, does this guy have batteries? Okay, so you can see here before turning him on, you have two options here, English and Spanish. It's pretty interesting because technically I own a Spanish Elmo toy. Sadly, it doesn't do it in French. That would have been awesome. And here we have the on and off and try me mode. He was on try me mode? Oh! Ho ho ho! Guys, here is Elmo Slide. Let's watch him do a dance. Fair enough. Ooh. No, because you didn't say Elmo say. Exactly, you got me there. Nope, you didn't. Okay, can you do the typical Elmo Slide dance for us? Huh. What? Oh. I guess I'm doing it. Mm. No. Okay. Is that what the... Is this the other hand then? Oh yeah, okay. I'm discovering... Oh yeah, this is amazing, guys. And that's just basically what he does. He also does this in Spanish. So he's one of those mouth opening Elmos with rock and roll, Let's Rock Elmo and Elmo Live. And here he is. Oh my god, I don't even have more space for that collection, but finally, after a long while, we have 15 Elmos. A ridiculous amount, but after a long time, everybody's here. This is my cast, this is my group of Elmos, and these will be now every single Elmo that will appear on my channel. And the channel is only getting started, you guys. So I'm definitely going to make more content, and I hope that I can also upgrade my content to your guys' liking. With that being said, hope you enjoyed this little video. Of course, as usual, I will make the Elmo showcase for our new friend here. And also, you will get some customizations with, yeah, because I definitely want this guy to be custom. And he's gonna have a color too. Yeah, Elmo Slide, baby. The newest Elmo toy. And so I said my collection is so far, it's over. But if there were ever a new Elmo toy to release, I suppose, yeah, I could add it to my wish list once I can. I'm actually surprised that I could get this guy so fast. He just released last year. But yeah, have fun and see you guys later on the Elmo Agency.